Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another Tip Tuesday for you guys. And what I have as a tip is that if you have a printer that does not print on cardstock, here's a tip for you. I took this off of, well, this is a freebie from a group that I'm in. And I will list the group down below in the description box as soon as this video is up. Now, I just printed this on regular paper, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is take it and cut each one of them out separately. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Let me find my scissors. And here, you can also take a trimmer. I'm going to do the trimmer first. But if you don't have a trimmer, you can use your scissors or a ruler and just rip it apart. Okay. Now these are sentiments, Digi sentiments from Miss Tracy Phillips, who is Mindless Crafting here on YouTube. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim this like that, and take this one, trim it like this, and try to trim the sides to even out. And I have my little trash bin that I made. And this idea I got from Genevieve's Designs here on YouTube. And I'm going to take, you can use Elmer's glue, you can use any type of glue that you want. You can use the glue stick, you can use wet glue, hot glue, whatever glue you want. And just take it and put your glue on here, okay? And then just turn it around and stick it on your cardstock. Now this is how I do a lot of my sentiments here. See? Now if you print it a little bit smaller, you can make it into a flag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and try to do a little border. Whoops. Try to do a little border on the sides. Okay. Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. And I see right here is a little wider than the other side. So here, I have one sentiment. Again, you don't have scissors? I'll show you. I have a small enough ruler. I can just hold it, just apply a little pressure, like right there. And you can just do that. Turn it around. Same thing. Apply a little pressure. And you have that antiquish look on it, like it's meant to be. Okay. And again, you take your cardstock and your glue, whatever glue you prefer. And just put it on. Now if you have a punch wide enough to punch this into a circle, you can do that also. So I'm just going to trim this like that. Come back this way, right under there, and it's going to come right off. Okay, and then I'm going to trim a little more, and there we have sentiment number 2. Okay, now that's my tip for today. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And also, hit that bell button to get notified of when I have new videos. Be nice, be kind, but be loving, be caring. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. See you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.